Hello.
Hey everybody.
Hi guys, Adam and Ashleigh Reeker here. If we're saying this to you, you actually probably know us. It's definitely been a few years. I obviously have a dad mustache now, which is cool. We have some crazies in the background.
Say hi, girls.
Those are our beautiful twin girls. Anyways, we are reaching out because we had just something happen with our family, and we are doing everything that we possibly can to help them come through this tragedy, and that's really what I would call it. It's really unfortunate, and it's one of those things that makes me really mad. We don't have the online footprint that we had a couple of years ago, and that's okay. We're very happy just being mom and dad with these two girls, and it happened with Ashleigh's parents and my parents, and so we're just going to get into that real quick. And we're not asking for a handout. We're just asking for help if you can help.
Yeah, so here's what happened. In the fall of 25, my stepdad, who is a retired Air Force veteran, he's 100% disabled. He's had multiple back surgeries. He lives his life essentially in chronic debilitating pain. This is a man who has had, slowly over time, things just taken away from him. He used to be very active. We would go hiking. We grew up hiking in the outdoors, biking, dancing, all of it. He's not able to do any of that now. To the point that even taking a walk and holding hands with my mom, they recently moved to Myrtle Beach in the last 2 years. They're not even able to do that. And he found something. He actually found an ad online on Facebook and was targeted. It was an cryptocurrency investment opportunity, and got into it and went through over 2 months of training, was in daily classes. Essentially, it was a grooming technique, and he got involved in what is called a pig butchering scam, which essentially helps build trust through sales tactics and allows for people to invest a large amount of money because it builds so much trust. And essentially he lost over $500,000, which is he and my mom's life savings. He just turned 70. My mom is 65. They had already planned to move back to Omaha to be closer to family. They've got 8 children between the two of them, 27 grandchildren. And at this point, Adam and I were one of the few who knew about it. We had conversations with both of them, and frankly, while we had questions up front, we supported him because my mom said to me point blank, he has the life back in his eyes. He's got a pep in his step.
We saw it for ourselves.
Yep.
He was becoming the person that he had used to be, and we want him to become that person again. Mm-hmm. The embarrassment and the shame of everything that happened has made it a little bit difficult to go about reclaiming or going after getting any of those funds back. And this is a man and a woman and a family member of ours that deserve some help. Mm-hmm. And we're just reaching out to people that we know have big hearts and might be willing to help us make this situation right.
Yeah. So what we're asking from everyone that we know, we've set up a GoFundMe. We'll have it linked for you down below. Even if you're in a place where you're not comfortable giving, if you can even share this out to your network, we would greatly appreciate it. We're constantly updating it. They've had an influx of funds come in, and every little thing helps. Just get them back up on their feet. Being able to move back and not have to worry about that move back, both being older, traveling across the country to be back with family, which is what they want. And more than anything, guys, what they want when Adam and I first talked to them, my stepdad didn't even want to say anything. He was going to carry this quietly and alone. And we encouraged him and prayed with him to not do that, because I feel like as a part of that could breed guilt and shame. And that's not something we wanted to do. They disappear.
We have to cut this short because our children disappeared. It's 3LE team. You guys know us from 3LE team. 3L's and E. Love life, lift everyone. We're just asking you guys to help us lift somebody up, okay? Thanks.